you're staying here. Hey guys, today I'm reviewing some clear slime. Okay, so this slime I made, and it's clear, but it looks cloudy. This clear slime my friend made for me, and she wants me to review it. So I'm gonna open it first. She's like selling some slime in her neighborhood, and not on a website, like in a neighbor. Oh, it's like wet. There's like water. What? Okay, now I'm gonna take this slime out. It's really stretchy. It's so clear. I'm gonna take it out with this thing. Oh my god. Okay, so it's really nice and clear. This part's like bubbly, so I'm gonna throw that part away. This is so nice. It's like clear jello. Oh my god. And it's super duper clear. You're falling off. Are you sleeping? Okay. This dog is like killing me right now. This is the slime. It's really amazing. Ow! Ow! Ow. The claws are like hurting me. Oh, you're falling. Okay. So yeah, this sounds pretty amazing. This is gonna be a little short video. So, yeah, but it's like really jiggly and cloudy. I'm gonna wait for that one. I wanna see if it's gonna get clearer than this one. So, yep, this one's pretty clear, but it's cloudy. So, yeah, it's because this lamp is like, ah, ow. Okay, so yeah. Whoa, it's gone. Oh, this dog. No, no. Ugh, get out of there. It's like, it's under the table. No, you're not getting off. You're gonna fall. But yeah, this one is like really weird and amazing at the same time. Ow. But yeah, it's really small though. It looks big on camera. It looks white on camera. But yeah, it's pretty clear. Like, it's foggy and stuff, but it's clear. I don't know, I should put this in this container because it's like really small and you're not gonna be able to get it out. But I guess, like, okay. I'm gonna do a vlog, not today or anything, but like a follow me around for back to school. Back to school follow me around vlog. So yeah. Oh, this tape. It's because this like thing is not sealed. And if this dries out, I'm not that sad because I have another container filled with it. So yeah, this is like the dry-ish, clearish part. Whoa, it's so clear. I think she's like she uses the glue pen that I use. So yeah. It's like wet. Like, if you guys can see, my hands are really wet. Ew. But yeah, this is the dried part, like the dried out part, and I don't want this dog to eat it, so I'm gonna wipe this off with my hand. And this is going to the trash. I'm just gonna put it right there to dry out. And now it's stuck to my hand. I'm just cleaning off my hand of slime. It's, I think, some pillow or something. But yeah, it's so stretchy. Just kidding. Did it? Oh, okay. Oh. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye.